We're tracking lows in the lower 40s Friday and Saturday, with afternoon highs only around 60, and we'll keep things cool through the middle of next week, Dia.
All right, Jill, thank you. A Sears bankruptcy could be imminent, and credit card interest rates are on the rise. Jane King has these stories and so much more. It's today's Business Report.
Sears is reportedly preparing to file for bankruptcy as early as this week. The Wall Street Journal reported the company has hired M3 Partners to help with the bankruptcy proceedings. Now, the news comes as the embattled retailer faces a $134 million debt, which is due on October 15th, which the company has warned it may not be able to pay. Sears was once one of the largest retailers in the U.S. Amazon hasn't cut Whole Foods prices much at all. A Gordon Haskett study says Whole Foods prices have actually risen 1.3% when compared to the price cuts that happened just a few weeks after Amazon bought Whole Foods. Now, the Whole Foods prices are 0.8% lower than they were before Amazon bought the company. On the heels of the latest Fed rate hike, credit card interest rates are at record highs. The average APR now over 17%, according to creditcard.com's latest report. That means it's time to aggressively pay down credit card debt. And Instagram says it can detect bullying. The company said it's starting to use new machine learning technology to detect bullying in photos and captions. The post will be sent to Instagram's community operations team for human review. From the NASDAQ market site, I'm Jane King with your business update.
Jane King, thanks so much. Well, volatile day there at the stock market with the Dow ping-ponging, still going down 331 points right now to 26,099. NASDAQ Composite doing the same thing, down 147 points to sit right now at 75.91. Mortgage rates are an 8-year high. This time last year, the average rate on a 30-year fixed loan sat just under 4%. Now, according to Mortgage News Daily, the average rate has topped 5%. That adds about $200 a month to the monthly mortgage payment on a $300,000 loan. The higher rates are expected to take some of the competition out of the market. Well, a new Bankrate.com survey indicates the cost for non-customers to use ATMs continues to rise. Average surcharge assessed by ATM owners for an out-of-network transaction went up 5 cents last year, from $2.97 to $3.02. That's the 14th year in a row it's gone up, and the increase has been 53% over the past decade. And there's evidence air pollution may increase the risk of mouth cancer. It's according to new research conducted in Taiwan. Scientists looked at pollution levels at over 60 air quality stations and the health records of about 500,000 middle-aged men. Men living in areas with higher levels of fine particulate matter were more likely to develop mouth cancer regardless of other risk factors. Chris?
The sky is the limit in Canada.